The midlife matrix Neo and Trinity in a whole new reality. Not dodging bullets but drinking coffee. And eating pizza are the new reality-bending challenges. Subscribe to our channel. In the tranquil aura of a suburban dawn, we find ourselves in the midst of a quaint suburban kitchen. In the quiet embrace of a suburban morning, we find Neo, now in his middle age, sitting in his modest kitchen drinking coffee. Clad in a bathrobe and slippers, he gazes at his coffee maker with the longing of someone who has lost the zest for life. The hands of time have etched fatigue onto his face. He is joined by Trinity, his equally middle-aged companion, who enters the kitchen, also robed with a cup of coffee in her hands. Neo, with a yawn, he mutters, "I used to be able to stay up past 9 p.m. you know." Trinity, a sigh escapes her lips as she replies, "I remember when I could bend spoons and do backflips." Neo proceeds to pour himself another cup of coffee, but upon tasting it, his expression contorts into one of disappointment. "Neo, why do I keep drinking this stuff? It only gives me heartburn." Trinity, she nods in agreement, "At least you're not taking those red pills anymore. Remember the migraines?" As Neo shambles towards the refrigerator, he opens it to reveal a scene of culinary mediocrity. Leftovers and a lone carton of almond milk occupy its shelves. "Neo, is there anything to eat in this place?" Trinity, with a resigned shrug, she replies, "Just some cold pizza and yogurt from last night. But don't worry, I'll pick up some kale on my way to my yoga class." Neo expresses his disapproval with a groan. "Neo, I can't remember the last time I did a sit-up, let alone yoga." Trinity, midlife crisis hitting you hard, Neo? Neo, in a moment of contemplation, entertains the idea. "Neo, maybe I should take the blue pill and go back to my 20s. Trinity, however, suggests an alternative. Trinity, or we could just watch reruns of our old college parties and pretend we're young again. Accepting her proposal, they recline on their living room couch, reliving youthful escapades on their television screen. Neo sips from his lukewarm coffee again. "Neo, you know, Trinity, I wouldn't trade this midlife mess for anything." Trinity, with a fond smile, she agrees, "Me neither, Neo. It's not as exciting as dodging bullets, but it's our reality now." As they bond over nostalgia and their shared past, our camera captures their cozy living room. The music plays in the background, echoing with the mellowness of their midlife journey. Subscribe to our channel.